Over the course of 26 years, IDACO is the pioneer in wiring harness in Egypt. Established the wiring harness business since 1986 with 2 factories, more than 1,500 employees, more than 2/3 of the local market share. IDACO has been exporting to Europe since 2005, to United Kingdom, Fiat Italy, and to Volkswagen Germany. IDACO is specialized in automotive wiring harness for passengers' cars, commercial vehicles, and buses. Wiring harnesses for home appliances including washing machines and air conditioners. IDACO produces H-testers that used for testing harnesses production in real-time manner in addition to a lot of intelligent features. IDACO has a specialized lab to check on quality more than once during the production phase in order to ensure product perfection. IDACO also produces ASC system, which is an automatic system that monitors and controls the efficiency and quality level of the whole company and its employees and their tasks in real time. Among IDACO's strong customer base there is General Motors, Nissan, Toyota, Hyundai, Chrysler, Volkswagen Germany, GB Auto, Speranza, Lada, Mahindra, Zahav, Temsa, Miraku Carrier, Tamco Saudi Arabia. IDACO has earned many quality certifications, among which ISO TS 16949 in 2009, ISO 901 in 2008, and ISO 14001 in 2004, and quality system basis of General Motors. The implementation of the barcode system in IDACO starts with production and continues to packing. IDACO uses the latest technology and automatic machinery of wiring harness industry and stripping, cutting, and crimping machines, such as Schleniger CC36, Comax, Gamma 333 PC, and Alpha 433. Our vision: being among the top 10 companies worldwide in the industry while keeping our unique identity, company values, and product development. Our vision is to be the best company in the world in the eyes of our customers, shareholders, communities, and people. We expect and demand the best we have to offer by always keeping IDACO's values. We do believe in being different, and we will make a difference. Our mission is to continually improve ourselves by using the latest engineering method available to us in order to satisfy both our customers and suppliers locally and internationally to finally become leader in our field. Customer focus first. Customer satisfaction is the base for good business results. IDACO puts customers first and is committed to deliver superior unique value and services to all our customers. Research, development, and our close relation with our customers allows us to respond quickly and flexibly to all their requirements as global local partner. Our ideology. IDACO always strives for the best product quality. That's why research and development is a serious task, which is not taken lightly. We only care for ultimate customer satisfaction, which is reflected in our unique value delivery and our quick and flexible response to their needs.